Is Freedom Joint Drops the real deal for relieving your dog's joint pain, or is it just another cleverly marketed pet supplement scam? If you're a dog owner watching their furry friends struggle with stiffness, limping, or trouble getting upstairs, this product might have caught your attention with its bold promises and emotional marketing. Pup Labs claims that Freedom Joint Drops support mobility, flexibility, and overall joint health using human-grade ingredients formulated for dogs of all sizes and breeds. Some pet parents do report positive results like increased energy, better movement, and easier administration since many dogs take the drops without fuss. A few even say their senior dogs started jumping into the car again after weeks of use. But before you get your hopes up, let's talk about the flip side, because there are also serious concerns. Some users have reported their dogs limping more after using the product, allergic reactions, or no change at all even after finishing multiple bottles. There's no published scientific evidence backing the product's effectiveness, and although it claims to be vet-reviewed and approved, there's no proof of who these vets are or what credentials they have. It's also not certified by the National Animal Supplement Council, NASC, which raises red flags about quality control. On top of that, several customers complained about poor customer service, damaged bottles on delivery, and a tough time getting refunds. Even the glowing Trustpilot reviews seem suspicious, with overly generic praise from accounts that don't have much history. So is it worth risking your money and your dog's health on this supplement? We've gathered all the real details, both good and bad, to help you make a smart, informed choice. The product link is tagged in the video if you still want to try it, but make sure you know what you're really getting into.